Today we're unboxing a Potensic Atom 4K drone. First we need to slice away the travel skin with this mini spear. And now we have to free it from its temporary drone home. It needs a little more stabbing here. More skin to peel away. Now I just have to lift this stiff paper flap. Ooh, literature. Time to free the beast. This is a lovely soft sack of dronedom. Just undo the plastic teeth tracks. What is this? Oh, it's a carry sling. What a lovely mini TV holder. It's a charger for the 3 lightning blocks. And a wall zap connector. And here we have the micro-mechanical bird and a safety harness. Let's take off the safety goggles and the mouth guard, and let's tighten up the teeth again, and that's what this little bird looks like. Time to release the steery sticks and stab them in. What's in here? Ooh, spare spinny pins. Lots of them. Some power rope, a tightening stick and spare turn nails. More literature, and various mini TV connector ropes. If you enjoyed this stupid video and want to see the Atom drone in action, then click here and thanks for watching.